So guys, on one eye I'm gonna start from the lid and then work my way up the crease, and then on the other eye I'm gonna start from my crease and then going downwards to my lid. So let's get right into it. And now I'm gonna use a black liner as a base for my black eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and then just pop that on top of that cream liquid liner. And then whatever it's left on the brush, I'm gonna fade the end of that shade and just dust it softly against the edges. And then taking another brush, I am gonna take a deep brown and brush the edges of the black just to diffuse the color a little bit. I am doing a circular motion to fade and blend the two colors. You must take your time, guys. Make sure you take your time. And then now I'm gonna take a transition color. And I'm gonna focus that close to my brow bone. Which my mom has a visitor and I don't know if you can hear them or what, but yeah. I think I'm happy with that. What do you guys think? Now let's do the other eye. On the other eye, I am gonna start with the transition color. So I'm gonna start on my crease area and then work my way downwards. So let's go. And then let's deepen the crease even more. I'm focusing the next shade on my crease line. And then I'm gonna go back to my transition color, making sure the two colors are blending well together. Now we are moving to the black eyeshadow. Focus that below your crease line towards your lid. And then we're gonna slightly blend as we go. And then taking my previous brush, without dipping into any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna blend the two, the brown and the black. Until I am satisfied. And shiny. Now I'm taking the black liquid liner. I'm gonna pack that on my lid. And then we're gonna take a black eyeshadow and pack that on top of that liquid liner. And also blending the edges. Actually, a friend of mine asked me to film this video, so I was like, okay. She was like, please Sihle, show us how you do smokey eyes. So I was like, okay, sharp. I'll do it. They're telling me. So let me do my lower lash line. I am gonna start off with the brown shade. And we're gonna smudge and smudge and smudge. Yashuda, there's a video. My mom yelled, like, oh, when's that? Like, I am making a video. Like, oh, Linda was send some makeup. Eh, but she. I didn't some makeup. Phone is Lali. I think I ain't down. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna take as the black, and then I'm gonna focus that close to my waterline. Make sure you dust off the excess powder, guys, because it's gonna get into your eyes. Yo, ndiphandlile. Smoky eye. A bit hoping. Okay, now let me take in the liquid liner and then just put it on my waterline. And then I'm just gonna pop a highlighter on my inner corners, on my tear dots. Let's try that. And how do you like that? I think I'm happy. Hey, bravo. Yes. Here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Until next time, much love.